can see, this is the pack. There are no kicks because I use the famous kicks. There's nothing special there. My favorite folder is this one, the tops. Let's listen. This is my favorite folder. Let's move on to something else. This is also my favorite folder. We've got a lot of nice packs here. Oh, in fact, this was supposed to move to the tops folder. You're gonna move it. Very nice. I'm working on a big pack. This is just a mini pack for you to enjoy in the meantime, and the pack is gonna be for free. Let's play from this side. Also, here you can do this. Add this one here. And then obviously you're gonna sync it with the beat. It's just to show you how they sound. Obviously, not everything was designed by me. And then this is also my favorite. I'm gonna show you how I use this. Make sure that you watch because it's very important. Very, very, very important. We've got the claps. Now, let me show you how you can use this pack. We've got a kick. I'm going to show you how to use this pack real quick. I told you, this is my favorite folder. I love this. This is my favorite. Yeah. Let's get some. Don't worry about the gap, it's gonna be closed by the shakers. Okay. I want to create something special there. I have something in my mind. Just want to see what. Okay, now this is what I'm gonna do with this one, because I'm trying to use every folder here. So here I can say send to folder slicer. Then from here I'm gonna sample. I love the first note. But as you can hear, we have a kick in the first note, which means we will have to send this to a mixed channel, and then we remove. We can even remove from this one. Yeah. Let's go back to the pads. Don't move. And then another thing that I like to do is I go to the drums and I want us to steal something here. I like this one. I'm gonna show you. Now we're stealing here. I'm gonna send it to a mixer track. When we get here, we kill the lows, completely kill the lows. Now this is the trick. Send down the volume. You're gonna hear it's gonna glue the whole song. It's on mute. Now we can I think it sounds good. If you If you want to test if it sounds good, uyayizoyenza ngishandisi. Bum, ba-dum, bum, 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 ba-dum. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Bum, 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 ba-dum. Bum, 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 ba-dum. Bum, 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 ba-dum. Shout out, Buffet. Shout out, shout out, shout out. We done. We out. We out. We out. I'm working on a huge pack. It's gonna have Voxes in it. I know you guys want the Voxes. Make sure that you go check out my MIDI pack. It's dope, man. It's dope, man. It's dope, man. Yeah, thanks. Thanks for watching the feature.